Dear all, in this session, I'll be giving a brief overview of examination which is conducted on today. That means 6th March 2021. You'll be getting, if you go through the question, you'll be getting a brief idea how to prepare for upcoming examination. You can have a good idea about different type of questions which can be expected for upcoming examination. First and the foremost, you can observe the instruction set. Now itself, you can go through the instruction set. Anyway, you'll be familiar whenever you are appearing for next examination, it will be familiar. Okay, all the instructions like bubbling should be done carefully. Then especially the negative marking, there will be 1/3 mark. Okay, reduction of 1/3 mark for the false wrong answers. Okay, so what I observed is the first question is basically geography. It had repeated from the question of geography, maybe ninth standard. Then second question also asked from the area of geography. Then third one, that is actually option B, that would be the right answer. That's also from geography only. And I could observe that question number 4, 5, that is also belong to area of geography. So better you can refresh at least 9th or 10th standard geography textbook. Okay. Similar kind of questions can be expected for in the next phase. That means right now the second phase is over actually. Third phase is over. Now fourth phase that will be conducting on next Saturday. Okay, that means 13th, I think 13th March 2021. Okay, then as you can observe, question number 6, question number 7, question number 8, these are from the current affairs. Better you can refresh the updated knowledge on the current affairs, like the film festival, the latest film festival. Then this is also belong to the one of the latest, okay, latest information. Please do update the latest information, and better go through the Malayalam literature and you get updated who got the latest award. Okay, likewise you can go and update. You can observe question number 9, that is also similar to latest one only. Okay, do update the latest trends and those who got the award recently. I could continue the question number 10 also with the latest one. Okay. Then this is belong to question number 11 belong to geography. There are rivers. Okay. Different type of rivers, origin, all the things you should understand that is required. Question number 12, that is also belong to geography. You need to understand when the winter season, when is the summer season, like pace of our country. Question number 13, that is ultimately for the area of geography. Okay, then this is also one of the general question. Question number 15 is also one of the general question. Better you should get a good knowledge about different states and different sanctuaries. So better collect the similar information. And question number 17, that is also one of the latest one in the area of 2000, in the area of English literature. So these kind of questions can be expected. Question number 19, we can say this is a current affairs question. So question number 21st, it is related to Indian history, Indian constituents. Question number 22, that is also for in Indian fundamentals, constituents. And question number 23 is purely based on independence, Indian independence. The Champaran, okay, Satyagraha, that is held in the year of 1970, that you can note down. Likewise, you have to remember different years. Question number 24 is also basically one of the historical question, history, based on the history, Indian history. Question number 25, that is also based on history, Indian history. And question number 26, question number 28, 27, all are from fundamental rights. Better you should have a good idea about fundamental rights. Even 29 is also from the fundamental rights. Okay, 30, that's a general question, I should say. Likewise, you find out some kind of questions and do practice. It may help you for upcoming examination. Then 31st, question number 31st, that is purely based on history, Indian history. And 1857, that is based on first independence. Even I would like to state question number 33, that is also in continuation from the history. 34, that's a general question. 35. So try to remember these kind of questions, try to collect get the answers. Likewise, you practice. Question number 36, that is based on fundamental rights. 37, I have done a session on fundamental rights. Surely that will help you out. You can refer my previous video. See, Article 17, they have asked typically. So what is in the Article 17? That you should have a good idea. So each article you should have a good idea and try to recall. See, question number 30, 39, that is also from fundamental rights. Even 40 also from fundamental rights. 41 is a general question. 42, that is also general question related to Kerala. 43, so that is also one of the general question. Try to collect the answers. And you should have a good idea about different districts of Kerala. Some kind of questions like 44 can be expected for in the upcoming examination as well. Question 45, different types of highways. You should have a good idea about different highways. Okay, try to remember the table. And this is regarding some kind of dramas, novels. Okay, question number 46. Remember some popular dramas, novels, etc. Question number 40 is also very important. And 49 is related to Indian independence. Even 50 is also in continuation with the Kerala. During the independence, the time of independence, what are the things which are happened in our state that you should have a good idea. This is related to geography. 51. 52, that is also general question. 53, that is one of the popular question you must have familiar. Then 54 is also based on geography. So I would like to recommend that better go through maximum information on geography. Lot of questions will be asking. Okay, be ready for that. Refer 8th, 9th and 10th standard geography textbook. Try to recall the all information. See, question number 56 is a general question. And 57, re-essence of Kerala. 58, then 59, 60. Those are the general questions. Resonance of our state Kerala. 61, that is also important. Okay, so likewise there are a lot of newly implemented program. Try to get the updated information on newly implemented programs. That will really help you out. See, so this is one of the example. Likewise, similar kind of questions will be asked. 62 is basically a general science, environmental science. You know what is global warming, greenhouse effect. 63, that is basically from biology. I also recommend to go through different kind of questions from biology, 8th, 9th and 10th standard textbooks. Please recall the information. 64 is also general question. 65, that is based on biology, question from biology only. Then 66, human brain. Then 67, the T structure. 68, 69, all the things are from biology only. So I would like to recommend you to recall more information from the biology also. So question number 70, that is true. That is also typically from biology. Then you should have a good idea about periodic table. Then noble gases, how to refer the reactivity. Okay, so what is electronegative element? You should have a good idea. If you know about electronegativity and all, you can able to answer about question number 71 without any problem. Question number 72, that is also from chemistry only. You should have a atomic structure. Okay, Bohr model. You should have a good idea about Bohr model. Question number 73 is a popular question. Likewise, you can expect some kind of salt, that washing soap. What's the main content in the washing soap? Okay, what is sodium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate? Likewise, many things will be there. Recall the information. Question number 74 is also from chemistry. You should have a good idea about what is coal gas. Likewise, so many examples can be expected in the upcoming examination also. So question number 75, that is related to metallurgy. You should have a good basic idea about metallurgy. Then 76, that is from combination of physics and chemistry actually. Okay, you should have a good idea about charge, electricity, all those things. And so question number 77, that is relating one equation is equal to mc square. You must have familiar one popular equation is equal to mc square. Then question number 78, that is a general question related to science. Okay, you need to have a good idea about the sun, the sun, earth, the basic information about sun, earth. Then physics. Question number 79 is typically from physics, like some units. I have prepared similar kind of video. You can refer the previous video to get different type of fundamental and derived units. So question number 80 is also from physics only. Question number 81 is a very simple questions. Very simple question. Okay, you need to know how to calculate average speed. What is the relationship between speed, distance, time? Then you can easily calculate. Speed is equal to distance by time. Distance is equal to speed into time. You can able to easily able to calculate. Answer is B actually. Answer. So likewise, you can easily calculate. Similarly, this is regarding boat and string. Problem related to boat and string. This is also dead easy. You can definitely answer. Question number 83 is typically from average. How to calculate average if you know? Obviously, you'll be getting the answer. Answer that is equal to option C. You'll be getting. Then question number 84 is purely based on profit and loss. Very simple. There is a standard formula. Without thinking anything, you can able to answer. And 85, that is purely quantitative aptitude. You should have a problem solving skills. Only that much. That's the main aim. And question number 86, that is the fifth standard mathematics, I should say. Okay, that's also dead easy. Then question number 87, you need to apply a shortcut like division of 12, division of 9, division of 3. Some shortcuts are there. No need to divide, no need to waste the time. There's a shortcut. You can able to find out the suitable answer. Question number 87. Question number 88, you need to know how to add the decimal numbers. That is only the aim of question number 88. Moving on to 89, that's also no need to divide. There's a shortcut to identify which is the largest fraction and which is the smallest fraction. No need to divide. If you divide, you will lose a lot of time because time is restricted to 75 minutes. That you have to remember. And question number 90, that is based on ratio and proportion. I have prepared a video on ratio and proportion. You can refer the video. So problem on age, that is typically question number 91. That's also that simple. And this is related to some kind of questions. You know what is alphabetic, how to arrange the words in alphabetic letter. Okay, that's a simple questions we can expect from English. And identify the odd man out. That is also that simple. You know what is a primary color and what is secondary color. If you know that, you can able to answer question number 93 without any doubt. Question number 94. The finding out the position. Better you write 1 to 42, immediately you can able to calculate the position of this person. Okay, so which is he's belong to which position you can able to identify. So you know what, question number 95, if you know the concept of prime number, obviously you can able to answer question number 95. Regarding question number 96, coding and decoding, if you arrange then if you identify the relation, obviously you can able to answer question number 96. Don't waste much more time for this. So question number 97, if you know board mass concept, board mass, okay, which operation should be done first, which operation should be done later. If you know that, you can easily calculate the answer to 97. Question number 98 is also basic operation. Then question number 99, that is also dead easy. If you have a simple logic, okay, look at the particular word very carefully. Definitely answer is with your hand. Okay, don't waste more than 1 minute. Maximum less than 66 you can able to manage. And question number 100 is a dead easy question. So these nephrology, mycology, pathology, all are belong to same group. But astrology, that is different. Okay, likewise you can able to answer. So this is actually the question. My suggestion, better start from 100 from last to beginning. Okay, first you can answer the last question, then come back to the first question, so that you will be getting these questions related to max and all, you can solve it very fastly. I feel that the time 75 minutes is more than sufficient for answering all the questions. Cut off may be more because question is easier. So your answer, the correctness of the answer should be high. Okay, then only you can able to move on to the shortlist. Okay, you will be shortlisted. Otherwise, it's somewhat difficult. So likewise, you prepare. I hope this session will be useful, and those who are still yet to write the examination, this will be really helpful. And those who already written, it's a good experience. You can prepare for the upcoming examination. Okay, so go through everything independently and try to collect the similar kind of questions. Then definitely you can crack the examination. So do well. Wish you all the best.